In the previous video, we learned how to make a GitHub account and create a repository where we will add all our HTML files. For this, I have made a HTML folder on my desktop, and these are the two files. First is the HTML file and the CSS style linked to it. And we will upload both these files to GitHub. Let's see how to upload these files. Now you will go to the site of GitHub and you will click on login. Now if you haven't signed out previously, then you will be prompted as signed in as Techie400. If you mistakenly signed out from the GitHub, or you are joining or signing up the GitHub from a different account, you will see this sign in option. You have to click on this sign in option. Now you will add your credentials. If you have previously saved them, then they will automatically appear. Now you have to simply click on sign in, and here your account comes. Now let's create a new repository again. And do all the work which we have done previously. Add a readme file and then create a repository. After you have created the repository, you will be redirected to the home page of your repository. This is your personal repository. Now you will be seeing an add file option here. If you are on mobile, you will see it inside another column. Now after you have clicked on add file, you will click on upload files. And then you will click on choose your files. Make sure your HTML and CSS documents are named as index.html and style.css only, because this GitHub takes them as .html, index and css only. If for example, if you created program.html, then the GitHub will not take. You have to assign a index only. Both the files are added. We will click on open. After the both files have been uploaded, if there are images in your file, then you can click, you have to send the image in that specific folder where all HTML files are there, and then you will select image from there. There are no image in this, so I am not choosing. Now you have to click on commit changes. Now these three code files are there. You can view them and you can also edit your code with this pencil option. For example, we want to add an image only. Okay, let's add an image. So this is our image and I will upload it later on. Now you have to click on commit changes, and here you can see this file is being saved. Now let's upload that image file which we have entered the href just now. And this is the file. To upload the image GitHub, And after this file has been uploaded, then you will click on the commit changes. Now we are having three files of our website here. Now this is an important step. To publish your website, you will go to the settings of your website. You will see here in the mobile, you have to scroll the scrollable bar up in the upper section, and you will find the settings there. This is the setting of your repository. Don't mislead it as the settings of your account. Here is the account setting, but here is your repository setting, where is the heading of your repository, which is project in this case. Now you will scroll and scroll, and later you will come to the GitHub pages here. You will click on the source main, and then you will save it. This is in the settings option. Clearly see it. When we scroll, we come to GitHub pages, and we will assign our branch as the main branch or the master branch. Now we will click on save. Now you will see GitHub page source saved. The pop-up message will appear, and they will show that your site is ready to be published at this address. Now you have to refresh your page or wait some time until your website is being published. I think until now the website have been published, and you can see it is now turned as green. Now you will click on this, and you will see your corn image also, and you will see the body. And what a surprise, your website is now with a live internet address, which is .https, and you can share this link address among your friends. Now your HTML file is not bounded till your computer, it's live on the internet. Now let's see how it works. You have to remember your username for this, which is the techie.400 followed by .github.io in every repository or website. Then you will add a slash and the repository's name. Let's test it. First, we will write https, then techie400, then project, oh, techie400.github.io. Don't forget to add this project 2. When you will search it, you will find the same file or the same website. You can link other HTML files with it and create a button to them. When you will click on the button, your next files will appear. This is how the website is being published. Thank you. This was the last tutorial to how to publish the website. In the next tutorial, we will be having a new journey of Code Tech Book Series 2, in which we will learn JavaScript, which is in development in progress till now.